Hi friends, this is Kabir. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain how we can install the OBS Studio. It's a free software. In Google Chrome, just type OBS Studio. This screen will appear in your desktops. And look at the screen. You have three choices. One is Windows, one is Mac OS, and Linux. If your computer configured with the Windows, just click the Windows. So automatically this software will be downloaded. And it is a free software. And it is a user-friendly software also. And it helps to create video for online classes. After the installation, just look here. This is the icon button of OBS. Just click this one. Now the screen of OBS appeared in your desktop. And below the black screen, you can see scene, sources, audio mixer, scene, transition, and controls. In this black screen, all record will be happens. Now, first we are focusing on sources. This is the main part, sources. So we try to bring some source file here. So very easy. So just click plus here. You can see so many choices. Actually, we are focusing on online teaching. So we will look display capture, video capture device, and text. So I just click display capture here. So give OK, and always mark tick on capture cursor, then OK. So nothing change happen in your black screen. That means some problem is there. Actually, when you select display capture, and there will be a multiple layer must come in this screen. So we will rectify that issue. It's very easy. So in search button, just click graphic settings and click graphic settings. So there is one screen shown in your desktops. So click browse here and go to C drive and go to program files, then go to OBS Studio, then go to bin, then 64-bit, then you can see OBS. Just click this one. So look here now, OBS Studio present in your graphic settings screen. Now one more we want to do, just click the options here. So click power saving and save. Now close this window. Now just close the OBS and then again reopen. So look, multiple layer come back. So if you did not find multiple layer in your black screen, you can go same procedure. Now next we will create video capture. Go to plus and you can see video capture device. Just click this one. Give OK. So look, I am back. How are you? Then click OK. So look this screen. So I'm just keeping this down. Doesn't work perfect now, and just make it small. Now look the background. It is a green color. If your background is green color, we can change our background according to our wish. How we can change, I will say now. Just click video capture. So go to filters and there's other screen now came. So just click plus, you can see chroma key and then OK. So look here, the background, that green color vanishes now. So we can give some adjustment so it is more perfect actually. So I'm just something increasing here, whatever maybe you can increase, just 403 and here we can just according to your wish we can increase, decrease, so it is more and more perfect now. So now I will close here. So look the background. Now my background is matching with me now. There is no green color, it is vanishes already. Now next one, look here. Here video capture and display capture is there. Always display capture come under. For example, if I just display capture moving up, so what happened? I am disappeared. So always, okay. So then I am giving down. So I am back now again. So do not forget, always keep below display capture. Then only one by one is coming now. So next I go to plus again. I will create one text here. So go to OK. So I am typing something here. Kabir's Infinity. You can type anything. Now I just change this color also. So look here, select color. I'm giving this color. So give OK. And you can reduce opacity. This when you reduce opacity, so always keeping 40 and 50. So look, the color is now slightly reduced. Then give OK. So now I just make it this small, so that is more perfect now. So always keep this side, it is perfect choice for it actually. So just make it small. Now again go to text. So we can do some change here. I just go to filters. So we have one more option there. Go to plus. Look the scroll. We can scroll our text now. Okay. So just move this one. So when you move this one, this will be scrolled slowly. So just I will look now slowly moving that one. Then close this one. So now what we need, necessary things, everything ready now. Now look here, if you want delete anything, so just click this one and just click the negative side, just click it. So we can delete now. Just are you sure you wish to remove text? If you put yes, so it will be removed. I am just giving no. So now we are going to record our PowerPoint presentations. Now go to controls. You can see second choice. Actually here coming start recording. Actually it's recording already running on. That's the reason stop recording is coming now. Once you do, same will be appear in your screen also. Now look here now. Setting here. Now go to settings, so you can see general, stream, output, audio, video. So we need actually output only. So go to recording. So you can see here recording path. So only I give my folder with the OBS. So you can give your names, okay? So all video will be recorded there. Now I just click OK. Now I will show how to record the PowerPoint presentation. I am just minimizing this one. So go to a PowerPoint presentation and click slide slow. So start from current slide. So now look at the screen. Now it is automatically recording by OBS software. So I can give my lecture according to my way. So it is one of the powerful software. It is very helpful. It is a free software. That's one of the advantages. So many ideas in that free software they are providing. So now I am going to wind up my presentation here. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Bye bye. See you.